Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you what sets I bought off of Walmart. The extra train pieces, which I'm going to use for the Harry Potter train. I'm buying those extra train tracks. They've not came in yet. But we got some big old classic base plates, 2 of them. We have the Harry Potter train, Hogwarts Express, which I thought would be a cool set. So here's just a quick look at it from the front and the back. So that's what that one is. It's got quite a few minifigs in there. And we also got the Lego Creator Deep Sea Creatures, which you guys can actually see on Bricktech's channel. But I will be doing a review on it. It's a neat looking set, so I got it for the shark and the crab and the extra treasure pieces. And we also got the Diving Yacht Lego City set, which is what the back looks like. Here's the front. And yeah, and it comes with the Sawfish, which I thought was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing what sets I bought. I am going to be building these soon and doing reviews. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and bye guys.